How to add photos on the PoF dating app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can upload your photos on the PoF dating app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to upload your photos on the PoF dating app, first of all go ahead and launch the PoF application. Then you have to come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you come to your profile page over here, you will be able to see your current profile, right? So if you would like to change and add some more photos, right over here you'll find the button that says add photos. So you just want to make sure to tap on it. Currently I have only added one photo because I'm only showing a demo to you guys. This is not really a real account. So what you need to do is just tap on the plus icon over here and then tap on the add photo option, or you can also choose to take a photo. I'll just add an existing photo from my gallery, right? So you can go ahead and then choose a photo respectively. Once you choose a photo for yourself, tap on the upload option. You can go ahead and then use and retake some of the videos and so on if you'd like. After you've done that, you can repeat the process for all of the other photos that you want to add to your PoF dating profile. And this is how you can add photos and upload photos to your Plenty of Fish dating app profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.